Do you know? One missing component in a piping system can cause vibration, noise, and pipe damage over time. And surprisingly, many HVAC systems still ignore it. When mechanical equipment like pumps, compressors, or chillers operate, they naturally produce vibration. If the piping is connected rigidly, this vibration travels through the entire piping network. The result? Noise transmission, pipe stress, equipment misalignment, and long-term system damage. Piping systems constantly experience movement caused by thermal expansion and contraction, equipment vibration, pipe misalignment during installation, structural movement in buildings. Without flexibility in the system, these forces build up stress within the piping. This is where KINFLEX Flexible Connectors make the difference. They are engineered to absorb vibration, accommodate movement, and isolate noise between equipment and piping systems. By introducing flexibility into the pipeline, they protect both the equipment and the piping network. Flexible connectors act as a buffer zone between vibrating equipment and rigid pipes. They absorb vibration, compensate for thermal expansion, correct minor pipe misalignment, reduce noise transmission through piping. That's why flexible connectors are widely used in HVAC systems, chilled water pipelines, industrial process piping, power plants, high-rise buildings, anywhere vibration and movement must be controlled. In seismic regions and high movement systems, flexible connectors also work alongside V-loops and control rod assemblies to accommodate larger pipe movements and protect the system during dynamic events. Flexibility in piping systems is not optional. It's essential for reliability, safety, and noise control. To learn more about noise, vibration, and seismic control solutions, visit our website or connect with our engineering team. And don't forget to subscribe for more HVAC engineering insights.